So now SakshiEducation.com presents you the international current affairs which are helpful for all the competitive examinations. The very first is first tripartite meeting of India, Iran and Afghanistan. So was held in Kabul of Afghanistan. So this was held on 12th of September 2018 by the foreign ministers. So all the foreign ministers of the tripartite countries like India, Iran and Afghanistan has participated in this meeting for the first time, and this is being headed or chaired by Afghanistan Deputy Foreign Minister Hekmat Khalil Karzai. So in Kabul. Next, ASEAN World Economic Forum was begun in Hanoi of Vietnam. So on 11th of September 2018, this ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, World Economic Forum was held in Hanoi of Vietnam, and all the economic affairs ministers of the ASEAN members has took part in Hanoi of Vietnam with the theme ASEAN 4.0 Entrepreneurship and the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Next, United Nations to hold a climate summit in September 2019. So UNO itself wants to organize the World Climate Summit for the very first time in next year, September 2019. So this is September 2018. So after 1 year, so this is going to be organized by UNO itself, United Nations Organization, and UNO Director General Antonio Guterres has appointed Luis Alfonso de Alba as the new envoy to lead the preparations to the summit, so the climate summit of 2019. So remember, so UNO climate summit to be of 2019 to be held in September 2019. So UNO has appointed this Luis Alfonso de Alba as the envoy to lead the preparations for summit to be held in September 2019. And India to participate in a program for International Student Association. So PISA, Program for International Student Association, test nearly after 9 years of boycott. This PISA will be held for every 3 years, and India last time it was participated in the year 2009, and now so India to participate in this PISA of 2018, and it is being conducted by OECD, so Organization for Economic Cooperation Development. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has visited USA to took part in Second World Hindu Congress, so which is to be held in USA. So on the eve of 125th anniversary, on the occasion of 125th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's speech in Chicago during 1893. So to commemorate this speech in Chicago, so the government of India is organizing the Second World Hindu Congress in USA itself. The first Hindu Congress was held on 21st November 2014 at New Delhi, and the chief guest was Dalai Lama, and this is the second one, and M. Venkaiah Naidu is taking part following in this Second World Hindu Congress with the theme Sumantrite Suvikrante, nothing but collective thinking to achieve violently. And fourth BIMSTEC summit was held in Kathmandu from 30 to 31st August 2018, and this time 18-point Kathmandu declaration was signed by the member nations of BIMSTEC. So BIMSTEC, BIMSTEC, so it stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral and Technical and Economic Cooperation. So this BIMSTEC is BIMSTEC countries or the countries which share common boundary with this Bay of Bengal, like BIMSTEC. So, it can also be abbreviated with B stands for Bangladesh, I for India, M for Myanmar, S for Sri Lanka, T for Thailand. Also, Nepal and Bhutan are also members of this BIMSTEC economic cooperation. So, 2 days summit was being held in Kathmandu of Nepal for 30th and 31st of August 2018. So, this is a foreign ministers meeting, and from Indian point of view, so Ministry of External Affairs Sushma Swaraj has took part in this 4th BIMSTEC summit. And the theme of this 2019 BIMSTEC summit is towards a peaceful, prosperous and sustainable Bay of Bengal region. And the next, that is 5th BIMSTEC summit to be held in 2019 at Sri Lanka. Okay, so therefore, the Prime Minister of Nepal, Khadga Prasad Sharma Oli, KP Sharma Oli, has handed over this BIMSTEC chairmanship to Sri Lanka President Maithripala Sirisena. According to United Nations World Tourism Organization, India leads in international tourism from South Asian region itself. So, according to UNWTO, that nearly 1323 billion tourists has hit India across the globe in 2017, and this is very highest in South Asian region. In the world, the major tourist spot is Europe, and the second it is the African region with 8% and 9% respectively. So, India is the most tourism destination in South Asian region. So, it is very highest even in the world comparatively in percentages. Next, the International Women Entrepreneurship Summit 2018 was held in Kathmandu of Nepal. So, the Vice President of Nepal, Banda Bahadur Pun, has inaugurated this International Women Entrepreneurship Summit of 2018. The theme of this 3-day event is Equality Begins with Economic Empowerment. So, remember the International Women Entrepreneurship Summit was held in Kathmandu of Nepal. This is also very important for examination point of view. So, as part of these international events and national events, so we will also discuss some of the joint military exercises which are held in September up to 15th of September 2018. So, the very first is Yudh Abhyas. So, Yudh Abhyas is a joint military exercise between India and USA, so which was held in Uttarakhand from September 16th to 29th of 2018. So, Yudh Abhyas between India and USA. Next, MILEX MILEX 18 is a joint military exercise, okay, within the member countries of BIMSTEC. So, recently I told you BIMSTEC stand for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, as well as BIMSTEC. Okay. So, the name itself suggests the member countries. So, except Nepal, so all the member countries has took part in MILEX 18. So, therefore, this question will be asked. So, BIMSTEC countries has held a joint military exercise. So, what is the name of that? It is MILEX 18. As well as another statement is all member countries has took part in the event. No, except Nepal. So, all the countries has took part in this joint military exercise. So, it was held on 10th of September 2018 at Aundh in Pune. Next, Nomadic Elephant. So, Nomadic Elephant is the name of a joint military exercise between India and Mongolia. So, remember Mongolia is in north of India, so above China, or between China and Russia, the Mongolia lies. And China also constructed a Great Wall of China, okay, so to protect themselves from Mongolian army. So, Mongolia and India has jointly conducted a military exercise known as Nomadic Elephant in Ulaanbaatar of Mongolia on 10th of September 2018. Next, Vostok 2018. So, Vostok 2018 is the largest military exercise which is being conducted by Russia, okay, so and it is the world's largest military exercise since 3 decades. And the very first was Zapad exercise, which was held in 1981 at Soviet Union. So, after Zapad, the Vostok 2018 is a 5-day event, so where nearly 30 countries took part in this event, and this is the largest military exercise which is being held in central and eastern Russia. So, this is the world's largest military exercise, Vostok 2018. Next, Rapid Trident. So, Rapid Trident is a joint exercise, military exercise between USA, Ukraine and NATO forces, okay, at Satyardi in Ukraine from September 2nd to 15th of 2018. So, remember Ukraine, which was being invaded by Russia in order to capture Crimea in the year 2014. So, since 2014 Ukraine is fighting with Russia, so with a like a Cold War, okay, following. So, as an agitation of capturing Crimea by Russia, and these joint military exercises are held to highlight the capacity of military equipments, arms and ammunition of the country, and also to promote the friendliness between the other countries. And now Ukraine, USA and NATO forces has held this event called Rapid Trident in Ukraine in order to showcase their military capacity. So, anyhow, the Ukraine wants to showcase its military capacity to Russia, so along with USA and NATO forces. NATO stands for NATO, stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization, where the countries bordering North Atlantic Ocean, so are the members of this NATO forces. Next, Kazind. Kazind is a joint military exercise between India and Kazakhstan, okay, which was held from September 10 to 23rd of 2018 at Otar of Kazakhstan. So, remember Kazakhstan, it is also above north of India, okay, so that is northwest of India, and Kazakhstan is the 8th largest country in area wise. So, India is 7th and 8th is Kazakhstan, and Kazakhstan is also known for high deposition of uranium reserves, and uranium is the main mineral resources for producing nuclear energy through nuclear reactors. So, uranium-235 is also abundantly found in Kazakhstan, Australia and Africa. Next, SLENEX. So, from September 7th to 13th of 2018, SLENEX, that is a joint naval exercises between India and Sri Lanka was held. SLENEX, Sri Lanka India Navy exercise. So, these are the military exercises which are held between India and other countries, okay, fine, to showcase their capacity, arms and ammunitions in order to avoid the war, as it may be a Cold War or real wars.